Hi guys, welcome to Fork and Allotment. Today I'm going to be doing my January sowing and growing guide. So January is generally a very cold month with hard frosts freezing the ground. But there are no guarantees with the British weather. So you can never guarantee what's going to be happening. Could have no frosts, you never know. There's not much to sow or plant outside, with the possible exception of garlic and shallots. There are some things you could start off either under glass or on a sunny windowsill, preferably a south-facing sunny windowsill in your house. Things such as tomatoes and aubergines could be started off in this setting, or they would actually really benefit more from a heated propagator if you have one. The big problem this month is the amount of available light. So you can combat this or try and remedy this by covering some cardboard in aluminium foil, just general kitchen foil, and then placing it on the north side of any seed trays or pots that you have in your greenhouse, to help reflect the light onto the plants. And it's a cheaper option than horticultural lights. If you want to go in the direction of horticultural lights or grow lights, I would suggest probably getting the LED type, as you could be using a lot of energy and electricity with the general traditional type grow lights. But that's something you'd have at home, obviously, unless you have the luxury of electricity on your allotment site. Onion seeds can also be sown this month, but unlike tomatoes that like it hot, onion seeds prefer it a little cooler, probably around about 15 degrees. So also watch out if you are sow them under glass, but watch out on sunny days, because you'll be surprised, even on a cold day, cold sunny day, how hot it can get inside a propagator, or under glass, or even in a greenhouse, or cold frame. So what can we be harvesting this month? So leeks left standing will be fine whatever the weather, but it may be hard to get them out if the ground is frozen, or they may be taking up space that you want to dig over, or manure, or both. In that case, draw a shallow trench, and trim the roots of the leeks, then lay the leeks into the trench at an angle so that most of the leek is out of the ground, or out of the trench, and then cover loosely with soil. Then this will make it easier when it comes to harvesting them or pulling them up. You'll be able to pull them up without any strain. Simple. Parsnips and Swedes in the ground can come up when they're ready, or when you are ready. Cover with fleece or straw to stop them from freezing solid into the ground. Also, scores and arrowroots may be available now, as would winter radishes. Kale and cabbages can also be ready now, and your Brussels sprouts, which may go through until March, may be ready now. But remember with Brussels sprouts to pick from the bottom up, and that will allow the top ones, the higher ones, to get more plump. You'll usually have plumper ones at the bottom, and then as you go up they'll get smaller. So then as you take off the plumper ones on the bottom and work your way up, they'll plump up further up. Celeriac may have stayed in the ground, and even celery if kept under a thick mulch. So that's pretty much everything that we can be doing outdoors now, with the exception of probably if it's quite mild, you might be able to get some broad beans in still into the ground, but I probably would suggest maybe doing those under glass or in your greenhouse if you can. But other than that, thank you for joining me today. I shall see you all in the next video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and please stay warm and stay safe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all soon.